Hey guys, it's me, John, from the Life of David. John, we have David. So today we are here at the Kyoto station, and we're just going to cross the Skyway because I decided to play the piano, but the restaurant is on the other side of the station. So yeah, we're gonna walk this stretch. Yun. Then we'll go eat. So the restaurant that we will be today is the restaurant na kainan namin. Kasama sila ng Jonah, si Lali. So, because my mom loved the food there, so that's why we're going to eat there again, you know. These are food. I have beef, Beba has pork. So may jajangmyeon din. Samgyetang for daddy. And rice. Okay, so nandito ulit tayo sa Kyoto Sando. And we're grabbing our dessert here. Ito kami. Ayun yung inuman. Ganyan. They have like a matcha place here. Parang yung matcha craving ko is okay na. Ooh, what's this? Muscat tank. Damn, there's no English. But, may fancy. It's a cheesecake tart. Ito, cheese na strawberry. Cheese na cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Guys, ano ba kanina?
Patrick, laki yung shadow na ano.
Okay, so we went to Kyoto Yodobashi, hindi. Kyoto Yodobashi, and I think I didn't vlog any of it because para na siyang big camera sa loob, so not that new. Ano kami, nag-Uniqlo sa taas. Then, nag-Nitori. Dinibago. Pero yun. This is just outside of the Yodobashi. O, puno na naman ang ang vlog. Okay, so we are at a conveni yet again. I got this one. Para siyang Jamba Juice na type. Sabi daw masarap daw ito. Should we try? Say 230. Ito, don't try this. Para ka nainom ng tomato sauce. That's it. Uy, pro 50. Uy. Protein. Should I get this one? Ilan ba sugar nito? I can read. Obviously. O yung Jamba Juice. Or ito. 11 grams of added sugar. Okay lang. Something yun naman. Team basket na. Uy, beer pare. Ano? 0%? Ayos ah. Okay na yan. Now time to look for some dessert. Or forget like this one for dessert. Protein bar for dessert? Ito. Kirin. Pinakasarap. Oh, there's Kirin Lager. Oh. Daming beer sa Japan. There's this ano nga pala, juice na there's lemon inside. Not juice, soda. I'll look at it. You know, I took more vlogs or clips inside a convenience instead of outside because like legit sobrang daming stuff. Okay, ito pala.
Fresh.
Hinahanap ko.
Ayun, sabaw.
Hot water yan panigurado.
Sabaw.
Cold water. Cold water din yan? Cold yan. Oh.
Alam niyo pa ng pakulog yan?
Yun, biniblend na.
Tapang na lang. Alam ko may iba powder sa
Sabay din na durog na pati. Sabay din na durog ng buo-buo. 669 kilocalories. Yan ah. Bilis mo. Palis. Ito yung progress bar. Smoothie is ready. Thank you. Nice. Mga guys, dito kami sa hotel. So nag-order kami sa 7-Eleven, Convini. So meron akong pork fries, pat beef, egg. So dad ay may seafood din siya eh. Seafood and ano yung fish fillet tsaka spaghetti. Tapos kay mami ay soup. Ulam. Yan, sweet. So, meron na kaming
giniinit to.
syrup and alcohol from 7-Eleven. Yakult na famous sa kanila yung dapat namin sa insane social media yung may 1,000. Tapos yung drink dapat kanina nabilihan natin. Then some orange na dessert. So let's eat. Ito ay potato salad. So yeah guys, that's it for the vlog. It's 11 o'clock right now and that's it for today, I guess. So bukas ulit. It's me, John, from The Life of David and John, and bye. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Peace. God bless. Stay safe. 70,000. Smart ring. 70K. Smart ring ba to? Yeah. 35K. What's up? Gaming. Ito yun na yung lahat. Grabe. Ano yun? Taas ka na. Year old eh. Nag-server pa namin 2K. Hindi na, pero mahal ba? Mahal guys. Nice big guys. 40 inches. Ano ba 40 inches? Curve pa? Ito. Ito nandyan. Ang talang ito. Para ako. Hello. How are you? Grabe. Ayun, pwede mo na siya bilang damit. Everything up dito, surface effect, other levels, shades are not. So dream camera is here.
FX3. Man, grabe. Pinaka-affordable. Oh man, cinema camera you can get. Woo! Yun, X30.
Nice. Lumix S9. Full inch sensor. Sa sobrang liit na body. Look at that. 207,000 yun. 100k pesos. 6K 30, 10 to 20 FPS. Meron din recording. 35mm lens. Ano naman, big. Kasama to. Tapos, sports UHS 2, Bluetooth. Autofocus. USB. Ito talaga guys. Bibili kayo ito ng bilhin nyo.
Nabili ka guys ng Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Di ko alam kung ito 10k cashback meron. Pero di ko alam kung kasama itong lens holder pati mic. Meron. August 15. Marami pa ko na dito pagka under 3,000 yan. 50k. Grabe. My man. Kami wide angles. 11mm f1.4. Ito ko na lang 15mm f1.4. 10,000 yan lang. Tapos mic 3,000 yan. Battery 3,000 yan din. Pwede na. Grabe. Tapos yung recorder 2,000 yan. Grabe. Solid guys. No way. DVD pa dito. Dito ka na lang makakita sa Japan. Hindi na natin itong buhay. Grabe. Solid. Ito mga automatic spring, mga legendary po.
Thank you.